So in last class, we discussed about data passing between the activities using intent. So in this class today, we will concentrate on arrays adapters. Like arrays adapters instance, it should be like it is when we have the number of objectives, that how we can show in our Android. So for that, already we discussed some concept. Here we are using that list view, grid view, drop down, that is we call as a spinner. Another one is the autocomplete text view. So in a 4 ways we can show the data here using this array adapters. So using that array adapters, we can use that. So here how that will happen, we'll see now. So for that, what I'll do is, first I'll create one project. Meanwhile, while setting up the project, we will discuss some other things here. So first I'm creating one new project, new. So empty activity. So for this, I'm giving the first as list. We'll discuss first is the list view. So finish. So once we create this, so here first we'll concentrate on a list view. So how this list view is happened here? So list view is a very simple. So here for this, we will add some small concept of this. So that is using adapters and all, we can use this. So for this list view, just I'll copy the syntax. So we'll discuss here. So this is the syntax for list view. So where we can define the some list view. After that, I am using one array adapter. So adapter, what is meaning of array adapter? So here adapter is nothing but adapt. Adapt. What is the meaning of adapt? Adapt means it's a taking or something, picking that like. So array adapter. So this array adapter will pick the values from the array. But first of all, what is array? Array is the group of similar items. Like last time we discussed, maybe it's a combination of string, maybe it's a combination of integer. Means in array adapter, we can use all the parameters with a similar data type. All similar data type we can put together, that we can say as a array. So for that array adapter, we are defining this array adapter. So unless I'm creating the new adapter, here just we are calling the context. After that, layout resource and array resource. So total we need to define the 3 parameters in this. And finally, these all items we need to set for this array adapter. So that means that for list view we need to set, so that the number of items can be displayed in this. So for this, first we will see the programmatical, then we'll discuss those details, those items in detail here, so that we can easily understand this. So project where we created with the name of list view. So in this, what we will do is, now I'll change this layout to linear layout first. Then I drag and drop the list view component here. So how? See, first we will change this to linear layout here. So linear layout. So linear layout I define. So for this, we will take this orientation. So the orientation as orientation vertical. So here I'll write, this is the list view example, list view example. Then now in a design, I want to drag and drop the list view. So where is the list view? So buttons, widgets. containers. So these in a latest version, these all the options are changed somewhere. List view. Initially it was in containers. Right now it is not there. It moved to somewhere else. Yeah, in legacy it is there. See here. List view. Just we can drag and drop the list view here. See, once I drag and drop the list view, it is showing like this. Means here, it can be displayed number of items, but here coming into coding wise, it's a simply height and width it is. So for this, we will give one ID for this ID list. So other parameters we'll see later. First, we need to define. So for this, what I'll do is, first I'm declaring here list view. So that is list. Then I need to find out the list view. List view equal to find view by ID. That is r.id dot list. Then here now we need array adapter. So array adapter. So something declaration equal to new array adapter. So new array adapter. First one is the first parameter as we discussed, that is context. So here context is nothing but here main activity dot this comma. Now the second is the layout resource. So what is layout resource? So this layout resource is already first for the time being I'm using the predefined layout. So that is a simple list one. So I'll explain what is that. After that, here we need one array source. So what is array source? So here I'm giving the array source name as emp names. Okay, then it is showing it. Then I need to set this list view dot set adapter. So what is the list view we defined? For that, I'm setting this above adapter. So this adapter I'm setting this. Means simply first what we are doing, we are declaring one array adapter. On the adapter, we are mapping with the context and the layout resource, then array name. Then that we are defining here. So this array could be from anywhere. So here I'm defining that array. So that is a string array. So what is the name of that? emp name. Then here I'm defining the values. So one is the dash. So like this, I'm defining the number of names. So yeah. BPP, like we can define number of. So this is the way we need to declare this. Sorry, brace could be mismatched. So this is the brace. So like this, we are defining the parameters here now. So now I'm running this program. So we'll see this. If we run this program, this all items can be displayed there or not, we will see this. So just a minute, I'm taking the cable to run. So I'm connecting my phone. Yeah, I connect. So I'm running this now. Yeah, V1. So meanwhile, below the visor. So it's running. So it's a building application still. Yeah, now it is installing. So once we install, we can able to see the names what we are defining here. See all the names I can able to see here now. So if we want to increase, you can increase also. Like this, you can increase. So what is the advantage of this increment? I'll show you here. See, now we added that multiple times. So what happens, you can see here. So this is the output. See here, names are displaying multiple times. Auto scroll as came here for this. How auto scroll came here means for list view, no need to give the last time when items are increased in your screen, we added manually the scroll view. But right now here for this, it's a automatically scrolling will come here. So no need to work out any extra this thing. So this is how the list has displaying here. But for here, we need to discuss few more things. So just I'll copy this and I paste here in a, here I'm pasting this. So here, the first one, which is here, it is already there. So okay, I'll paste here again. See here, context. Already we discussed about this context. Context we can define in a multiple ways. One is the main activity dot this, one is the get activity, other is the get context. Sometimes maybe you can use this. In 4 ways, we can define that already we discussed while we are discussing a toast. So that can be everywhere, it should be the same. Then layout resource. So this layout resource, what is good this layout resource? So this layout resource can be 2 types. Either we can use the predefined, or we can use our custom. So this is we can use in a 2 ways. Either that should be from the predefined and this. This one is the predefined. What we are using here, this is predefined means Android itself, it has defined some list view related thing. So that we are using. So, but what is a custom? Means if whatever the list is displaying now here, that is predefined. We cannot customize this any properties of this. Like I want to change this text color or I want to increase the text color. So those kind of activities I cannot do in a predefined list view. If you want to do something else, you can go with the custom. So that custom also we will see in the next after this example. Then next, last one is this array resource. So what is array resource? Array resource is nothing but where we are getting the data. So the data may be in a various steps we can get. From first is the Java. Right now what we are defining the Java, because here itself in a Java file, itself, we defined that. Right here itself, we defined on the above array here. So that array we are getting data here. This is. And then next is, apart from this here, I can get from the our strings. That is dot. So from our strings file also sometimes we can get this data, or sometimes it can be from the database, means that is through server or from the local. So now today and tomorrow we'll see this server side data. We will see later once we discuss the web services and all that example will consider there. So this is the, as of now we'll discuss Java from the resource, Java from the strings. That variant we will see here now today, but after that we will see that. So like the same way, whatever the array adapter concept here we are discussing, the same array adapter concept is applicable same as for the remaining other. What is the remaining other? One is list view, other is the grid view, next is the spinner, next is the autocomplete. So for these four parameters, almost coding is the same, but some small variants are there. Once I go through this one by one, we will discuss about the small what is the variants are there, that we will discuss here. This. So now this is fine. Here now, for this example here, now I want to add some add-ons for this. So what is this? This is now what we are defining. This is what it is, predefined layout and the array from Java. So we'll see some small different variant in this. So just I'll comment this. Again, I want to copy paste this one. So now this array, now I want, instead of this, now I want this array from, I'll comment this code. So array from here, instead of here, I want this array from the resource. So arrays here in a strings.xml. So values strings.xml. Here, last time we created here small strings. So now here I am creating the string array. I am creating here string array. So string array name called as a, so there we created as an employee name. Here the cities. Just I am defining the cities. So cities. So here I am adding the items. So what is the item? So here I'll add Hyderabad. Mumbai. Bangalore. Chennai. Like this, you can define the number of. Like this, you can define. So now this array, we need to show, in place of this array, we need to show this. So here, what I'll do is r dot array dot. So where I'm getting this cities. R dot array dot. R means it's a, we are getting from the strings. So r dot array dot strings. So just we'll run this, we'll see this. So just I'm running this. So now Instead of the employee names, it could be displayed as now as the city names. Oh, not came. Why? Oh, showing something error. What is the? Okay, so we need to add this one because it's a sometimes it need some other support, some support kind of thing. If needed, it's automatically it shows that. Now we will see. Now data should be there. No, still the letter not came. Just a minute, we'll see how we define here. Array from XML, it's not showing here. So then what we will do, we'll do here something. So just a minute. Array from strings.xml. Okay, so here we'll type in a different fashion. So that is here like this, get resources dot get string array of what is the array name that we defined there, r dot array dot cities. Yeah, now we'll see. Now mostly it will come because here every time the syntaxes could be updated, outdated. So we need to check every time once it is not came in other way, we need to try that. Mostly now we will get the data. Yeah, we got the data here. See like this. So this is the from. So this is from predefined layout and this is from the strings.xml. So strings.xml. This is the two variants. So now in this third variant, we will see because we are not any customization, we are not doing any customizations here, right? So I want now the text color and all everything should be the different. Means I want to customize this. So this is the instead of predefined layout, I want to do the custom layout. So how that custom layout will come? So for this custom layout, what I'll do is here in a layout itself, I can create one new layout. So only this new XML file, I'll create XML file. So layout XML file I'm creating here. So this I'm saying this custom. So custom list. So this custom list as created, right? So this is here. I no need of this. Just I am customizing that here now. Just I want to take here only straight away text view. So text view. I'm taking this as the text view. So for this text view, so first here, what I'll do is r dot layout dot custom list. Just I'm giving this. See now I'm running this. First we'll observe this. There is a difference is there or not. So after difference, we will have the some extra properties on that. See, all are came. That view also changed. Initially, there is a much space between the components, but right now there is no space. All are touching here. Now I can customize this. How I can customize here? I need to add what are the properties I need. I need to add here. So that is I need here is width height already there here. Now I want to add the margin. So margin 5 dp, and padding 5 dp, text color, text style I want italic, and text color. So I'll add some color hash 567. If you want to see how the text will come here, just we need to add one text property as well. Hello, here we can able to see this. So here I want this color to be this. Then what are the other properties for text view? So margin left, right, padding, start, top. So this is enough. We can add more properties, but this is for the time being, this is enough size. We can add the size. So text size 20 sp. Now I'm running this. We will see now. Now, as we applied the properties, as for the properties what we applied, that came like this. So this is the custom list with the custom XML what we defined. From there this as came. So this is like this, but this is fine. Now I want to apply listener for this. Listener means if I am clicking on Hyderabad, I want to display Hyderabad related data in next page. If I am clicking on a Mumbai, I want to display something on the Mumbai. But how can I write the listener for this? Is this we need to apply the listeners for every, means if I have 100 components means 100 listeners is required. As of now, what we have the knowledge with that is true. But here, no. Simply here, we have some customized listener for this. That is a listener set. And so for this, what is the listener? On item. So this is on item click listener is there here. On item click listener. On click listeners. So on item click listener. So this is the one on item click listener. So once we click on this on item, see here the return type has came here, adapter view. From the adapter view, so this is the view based on the position int I, based on the position it can be defined here. Like see here, just simply I'll write the toast, make text. So this is the context. This then here the text I'll put this value. Then here toast dot. So toast dot length long dot show. So here I want to display the position. Position is, so how we can get the position is, so from the array, so list view dot So list view dot sorry, array name is this. So this array, I'll take this array. To string. So this is I'm defining here. So now we will run this program. What is array value? We are getting this, that we are getting from here to there. So that we can get the, what is the position of that? We will get this. See here. Array dot get position. Array. Okay, we'll write here index, so that index will give the this instead of to string. Dot index. Just a minute, something we are not getting. List view listener in Android example. So in a simple fashion, we will get here value. So that is string view dot get index of. So we need to define better. We can define above here. So this is the string array of this. ABC. So here just we are defining this index of this. So now here we are putting this position plus ABC. Yes, okay. Now I'm running this. See, just from here we are getting the position, so that we are giving here. Else we can give directly here also one, yes. So from the array, just we are getting the name of this. See, I'm clicking now this. So it giving that Hyderabad. So what is the string? It is showing here. I want along with this name, I want position as well. See, just I'm adding this one more column position I. So now what happens here? I need to run this program. Now I'm clicking on this. See here. It's showing this height. Here it is 0. Means always the array index starts from the 0. Like this, we are getting the position of this array. So based on these positions, we can write the some next activities. But in this array, if I want to show like one image plus this is possible, yes, that is possible. But right now using this, it is not possible. For that, we need to we need to customize this array adapter as well. So that example we'll discuss after discussion of the next component here. This is the next component, grid, spinner, autocomplete. So after discussion of these three parameters, we can customize that one. So, but using this list, can we customize any other things? Yes, few things we can customize here. One we can write here. So that is the divider height I can write. So divider height I can write the 5 dp. So what happens you can see. Automatically the list separation will come here. So the list separation will come here. See, the list separation has came like this. So up to using this basic things, up to this only we can customize. Further customizations can be possible using the custom list view that we will see in after remaining three components. Okay, thank you. We'll see the next class.